between what I want and what I need when you take shelter in my arms. Bittersweet, cause the label's obsolete. Yeah, you leave when it gets hard. Can't tell if you wanna stay or go. Either way, could you let me know? Cause right now it's a power struggle for control of my heart. I'm swimming in slow motion, deep in your ocean. In a sea of emotion, I still got a notion that if I try hard enough, the door to you will fully shut. No love would spill over. But what's the point in looking for closure when the storm isn't over? Can't believe I still want you next to me as my tears flood the floorboards. Oh, the irony is that you're slowly killing me as you're leaning for one more. Oh, I can't tell if you wanna stay or go. Either way, could you let me know? Right now it's a power struggle for control of my heart. I'm swimming in slow motion, deep in your ocean.